Thank you for coming here to support the small businesses of America. We have 2 petitions down below. If you could please sign one is from the White House and one is from change.org. If you could please sign them both, you would be doing all the small businesses in America a huge favor as we're trying to get this $10,000 EIDL grant. Thanks for your support. And now would be a good time to turn down your volume unless you like bad rap music. I woke up early one morning and I saw the CARES Act pass. They promised me a 10K grant that I filed for real fast. I waited about 4 months for it and wondered what went wrong. I lost all my employees and my business was all gone. They an EIDL that grant. They you an EIDL 10K grant. So we made a nice petition and got everyone to sign. We took it to the Senate and the White House right on time. We demanded all our money and here's what they had to say. We're sorry, yes we screwed up, now give them their 10K. They the EIDL, that grant. They the EIDL 10K grant. That grant, that grant, that EIDL.